Bahamas consider implementing capital punishment? That question being answered tonight by prominent attorney Maurice Glinton and residents on the island. Our Aja Quant has more in this report.
As concerns mount on the level of murders and violent crime in the Bahamas, particularly in the nation's capital, there has been a renewed call for capital punishment to be reinstated. Noted attorney Maurice Glinton says he has made his stance against the death penalty. Glinton says the country has not seen a death penalty in over 30 years, and he believes that it should not come back because everyone is protected under the law.
There is written within this Constitution the necessary protections for everyone against being put to death, except the worst of the worst.
He says that at the beginning of his career, he and other lawyers fought to ensure that the death penalty was removed from the country's legal system, and he still stands on that to this date.
My view is this: the law that we have, and we've now been able to prove that, and demonstrate that to the court. Some would say it's all fictitious, as just judges working their magic, and stuff, and that you've got these European-minded judges who decide that they're gonna box us in so that we can't kill each other. But we've been able to convince you that within our constitutional framework, there are protections.
Glinton's comments come amid a recent debate in the Bahamas about the use of the death penalty. Some residents believe that it is necessary to maintain law and order.
I am not opposed to capital punishment. I think that it has to be very carefully considered and reserved for the most heinous of crimes, but I'm not opposed to it.
I think we should do it. I think that the murder rate, it's ridiculous. Every day you look on the news, it's double. And I think until we get serious and make a stand about it, we're going to not be able to control crime.
While others argue that it is an outdated and barbaric form of punishment.
I personally don't think that capital punishment is the answer. But the whole process of punitive approach, I think, has to be reviewed in terms of what we do and what things can we do in our society.
Now, Prime Minister, the Honorable Philip Davis, did respond to capital punishment questions sometime in 2022, where he says the courts have made some determination about what will attract capital punishment or not, and that they will leave it in the hands of the law. For the Bahamas Tonight, the Northern Edition, I'm Aja Quant.